So now let's see what you get in the box. There's a 4 amp hour Pro Core lithium ion 18 volt battery, and to charge it up you've got a 4 amp intelligent charger. Here we have the LR60 laser receiver, complete with a bracket to mount it to a pole. Also the remote control, that's the RC6, and the all-important instruction manual. There's an adapter for the alkaline batteries. They're supplied, you can see them either side of the rotary laser. Laser goggles, which of course aren't safety goggles, they just allow you to see the beam more clearly. And a multi-purpose wall bracket or ceiling bracket for suspended ceilings, for example. Also provided, we have a strap which can allow you to attach a tripod to the carry case, so you can carry it all in one go. And there's also a nice magnetic laser target. And then finally, the star of the show, the GRL 600 CHV dual slope professional rotary laser.